Of course. That white car up there.
So you got to give him credit for that. But what I would say to him in response to what he did here is,
uh-oh, the guy from Illinois is probably a little bit lost today. Yep, there he goes. I'll be nice. Get on camera. There you go.
Cute for him that somebody that was technical, kind of brainy sort of person would appreciate kind of rolling it.
They are proposing a $21.
That's a left turn from the right lane.
California. No
two of them in a row.
Just California.
That guy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Characterize individuals like Elizabeth Warren and what they want to do with climate change or to combat climate change.
Make my home state look bad. Oh, bad, bad, bad. The star.
Well, I like the fact that you guys are talking about this. As I said, you're very zeroed in. Bottom line.
Ducks. No, those are. I think those are turkeys. No, no. Go! Run! Run! There you go! Ain't nothing going on but the bomb-ass rap song. Getting on that long. Pick a lane, dude! Pick it. What the fuck is that? Oh! Fuck, that was close. Move over, Law. Move over. Yeah, didn't do it, New York. By the way, it's the law there, too. What? Sylvia, get going. I think he's gonna spike. Yeah, of course. What? What the fuck? Yeah, you're kind of sort of lost, aren't you? What? Someone screw up that badly? You don't see all the fucking cones? It took you a while to make up your mind.
That is pre-corrected for Einstein's general theory of relativity because they're in a different gravitational field than you in orbit than you are on Earth's surface. We got this.
What? GMC truck.
Black hole that's in between, that will birth a black hole that's in between these two categories.
Oh, douchebag!
You can make a black hole that
I hope that showed up on camera. It did not even attempt to stop. Ah, Masso left up there. Okay. Masso left.
In a post 9/11 world. No, we kind of have an extremist fucking foreign policy.
In front of that school bus.
To help educate the public, we've previously
had to get our donuts.
Domestic terror threats.
Donuts. Red light runner. I knew I'd catch something over here. Red light runner.
Everybody wanna ball.
Really?
Watch you fall. I can't fuck with y'all.
It's a useless boy. What? Why? No. That was bad.
Dude, just wow. So,
oh, I so wanted that guy to get it, but that guy did. So,
ends. For those of you, oh wait a minute. In my comment section, then I will be going to your video to make sure you are not encouraging your viewers to harass.
Sixth, all right.
oh,
She
that
said,
guy.
please don't do it.
And that guy's merging with his left blinker
his
on.
needs
That's
before
funny.
your own.
Any day now. Why the hell you gotta look at me?
Relax a little, and even my manager says I should take some time off. What do you think? All the best to the lovely
that
Nina
could have
and the
been
little one. Go fuck
disastrous if I was
yourself.
a little bit further ahead. Oh, jeez, that's pretty damn close. Really? Don't tell me. Screw Brew Driver, of course. Red light runner.
We're so great and so awful for each other because we loved each other. We were so supportive, but we were so.
Oh, wake up. I guess I'll go.
Dave Murray, my God, is that guy a beast? I always knew him and Adrian
That's
Smith
all
were
left.
fucking amazing, but just that fucking, he sounded like the record.
What the? Wow. Hello?
Really? I dislike the most social kind of lubrication.
Wine with
Red
beer
light
is
runner.
amazing.
I'm doing this in past tense. You know,
Sell stuff. If you sell stuff and you hit this mark, you will get a pay raise the next quarter. That's how it works.
Last second
And-
exit.
It's going to come on, and this is what we need. We need a black man or a black person to come on my show and say terrible things about Jameel Hill. And that's not what she got, and here's how she reacted to it.
Look, she lays it out very, very clearly, and it's actually something that I agree with.
Rather than being their own bosses, drivers often feel as if they are being
Don't turn on
governed by
red.
algorithms, as Alex Rosenblatt wrote.
Their phone out, they're not paying attention, but put them inside the headset, they have, it's almost the Clockwork Orange stretching the eyes out. They have no choice but to pay attention. But if it's important and you're training them for something that matters, this is what you
what
want.
are you
But
doing?
when I was thinking about things like I remember there, it is a stretch to imagine some kind of a head-mounted display involved in actual grappling.
No!
But
that's the big stretch. Yeah, because also
Oculus Connect, our big kind of convention, which is next, the new one's
There he
next
goes
month.
again.
But we had a large area set up, and you had this game called Dead and Buried, which is
Keep personal power zone activists that they click a certain way. In his email, Mr. Karshaw, he said he's not making job cuts to appease.
Sheesh.
No, you're making job cuts to appease.
That had never before involved a president of the United States, that required extraordinary measures in how it would be handled.
Of course.
That a whistleblower requires his
Toyota
protection. But
minivan.
the president attacking a
Oh, that's heating. I can't read it.
A good job of kind of.
are you doing, man? Red light runner.
Person so much of the time, but I think that this is again a good thing that connecting more people.
Ran the red arrow. Had to.
Find people.
So over time, rents are not going to be double prices.
Wow, that's really bad red light run
price.
from a BMW.
On a house.
Wrong side of the road. Yeah, he went a really long one. He's still going. Wow, really?
I agree with that, fellow concerned citizen. I will now make a decision to discontinue selling only certain
Both of them
things
took.
associated
Oh,
with
this guy was on his phone.
that under
I like it when other
hashtag
people
freedom.
honk for me.
You must sing it in Reba voice. It's law.
I thought you were going to cuss there.
Did he blow right? Whoa!
I thought you were.
He flew right through the stop sign and someone almost hit him. Yeesh.
Trying to solve some of their problems.
That's a no turn on red. Pace motor lines.
Thinking about doing stand-up at the time as well.
I'm leaving you two and more than enough room to merge over. Yeah.
I mean, let's talk about all that matters, okay? Let's talk about juggling. You know, I grew up as a juggler. When you were doing the time,
wait, he wasn't even in a left turn lane
all the time. Now, Stu, at college age, I wouldn't have gotten it, but I was able to get it at the right age.
Turn on
and
red.
now it's my.
And I would say that we got a free smoker.
Whoa!
The first 5 million people would show up, and when they
Fringe
show up,
are you
everybody shows
doing?
up, you just push them in the tub. Like if fucking Geraldo Rivera saw it, he'd make a special about it to see what
No
was inside
turn
of it.
on red. Getting a lot of those today.
Yeah, it took me a while to control. That was on me.
Yeah, you're moving slow.
Red light runner.
You can, like what we're doing here. I know it took me a while, but nobody's married. It's like
Another red light runner up there that died.
I'm learning.
Why you manipulate? Because they've always had music in movies. So from the time they had movies where there was silent, there was music playing in the background. They just kept it in there.
The X-rays, like, so when'd you break your neck? Because I never broke my neck. He goes, yeah, you did.
Another one.
Just out there. Anytime they go, you want this stuntman to do it? Always say yes. Look at this.
Whoa.
Look who's duct taping himself to the side of a plane. These guys are crazy.
That is like the best reaction ever.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so his neck is fused. All those vertebrae and scantic, man, lands on his face. Didn't even knock him out. Just continue like
straight from right turn only lane.
Pin the guy afterwards. Watch this. This is fucking.
Oh god.
How do you screw that? Because you can see that sign for a time. Another one.
Scroll to the end.
Alongside me. What are you? I'll let you get ahead of me because I want you to get in the video.
We used to joke that guy was so big. Like that's the
Am I driving safely? 5. Fleet.ct.gov.
Right before that.
It's not a blessing to you. It's a curse.
Red light runner.
Until you get in and turn the key, and when you're driving it home, it's a.
You can't. What the hell? What the fuck are you? Jeez. Come on. Douche nozzle.
Featuring Tony West, chief legal counsel at Uber, in a conference call with reporters last week, and he told the reporters at AB5 he believes.
Okay, so I'm going to help you. I want you to go through our 9-week class, Financial Peace University, and I'm going to show you how to sell the cars.
Red light runner.
Makes me feel weird to type this as a cop. Provide them for cheap and in moderation, and assess the users for long-term rehab. People are going to use drugs whether they're legal or not.
Adjust
Take
your
the
fucking
power away from
seatbelt.
these
club, but they are. At least it's an entertaining train wreck to watch. At least.
Wow.
You know. What kind of film?
No trucks in the left lane. No trucks in the left lane today now, yeah. There's no trucks in the left lane. No trucks in the left lane. He's just cruising along in the left lane and going down the alleys. And Tommy the Cat is my name. Yeah. Hey, he's still going. Well, we'll make this the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. See you guys for next week. I don't know what next week's video is going to be. Alright, see you later.